3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me what.
Hey guys! So, today is Sunday. Tapos, kakabalik ko lang. Galing kasi ako ng QC. Umuwi ako doon over the weekend. Tapos, I finally got this package from Millennial Club. And then, after pala nito, lalabas naman ako ulit kasi kailangan ko pumunta ng Starbucks kasi gagawa kami ng reporting ng mga schoolmates ko. So, after ko to i-unbox, pupunta na ako doon. So, yan. Grabe, sobrang init. Ayan. Medyo schoolgirl na ba? Schoolgirl? Charot lang. So, yan. Unbox ko na to. Okay, so I got 3 clothes from them. The first one, this is a shorts. Oh, it's so cute! My favorite trouser. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa mga IG pictures ko na sinusuot ko yung color white na trousers. So, yan, I chose this color black kasi sobrang gusto ko talaga yung material nila. Nababagay ko talaga sa lahat ng damit ko. So, I think, why not try another color? And then, this one. This one is long sleeve. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this one and i-mix and match sa mga damit ko. So yan, it's so cute. So mamaya ko na talaga to isusukat kasi kailangan ko na pumunta ng Starbucks like right now kasi naghihintay na rin yung mga iba kong group mates. So mag-aasikaso lang ako and I'll be right back. So yan, I'm just reviewing my part kasi mag-report ako tomorrow. Naka-assign ako sa basic elements. So, I am reviewing this, all of them. So, meron tayong pa-oral com sa nursing. Isa nung monkey chocolate cookie for here. Hey guys! So I just got back here again sa dorm and it's already 4:30 in the afternoon. Pero may mga gagawin ako kasi i-unpack ko yung mga dinala ko from QC and then may gagawin kasi ako about schoolworks kasi gagawa ako ng mga reviewers ko. Kasi meron kaming reporting tomorrow so I need to make a guide copy kasi magre-report ako bukas and kinakabahan ako pero yan. I will start fixing my stuff and I will bring you guys with me.
Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment cause I'm just 22. My mind just running circles, my heart is out in the rain. I know that this is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the I can't make my mind up, I don't know what feel the same? Do you 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 feel the same? But if you think maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, cause I'm just 22. My mind just runs in circles, my heart is out in the rain. I know that this is sudden.
So this is my organizer, and this is where I put my unused notebooks, except for this one kasi ginamit ko na siya nung first day. But I'm going to open this right now. This is where I will put those notes that I'm going to write. Actually, I'm still waiting for my other roommates to come. So, habang nag-wait sa kanila, gagawa muna ako ng mga reviewer ko and yung mga guide notes ko for tomorrow. Kasi, diba, mag-report ako. Kasi later, magdi-dinner kami sa labas. Kasi finally, complete na kami dito sa room. Kasi, from last week, dalawa lang kami dito ni Hannah. Kasi wala pa yung iba namin roommate. So, yan. Hey guys, so a quick update. We're at SM San Lazaro kasi ibibilihin sila. Kita, hindi sila kita. Yan, sila Gia and V. And this is Hannah. So yan, nag-dinner na kami kanina sa Tokyo pero hindi ko na blinog. Kasi, for what? Charot. Hi guys! Hindi na ako nakapag-update kanina, pero ayan, pagdating namin dito sa unit, nag-shower na rin ako. Then, I'm about to do my skincare routine. Then, after nito, tatapusin ko lang yung homework ko. Kasi tomorrow, meron kaming graded recitation. Then, sa hapon, yun na yung reporting na ginagawa ko kanina. So, yan. I'll just do my skincare, then tutulog na rin ako in a bit. Basta matapos ko lang talaga lahat. Hey guys, it's Tree. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag, and I've been wanting to do this video for so long pero wala akong time mag-film, but today I'm gonna be doing it na. So this is what I bring every single day at school. But before I open this is a tumbler that I've been bringing like every day and everywhere I go. I bought this tumbler from Cool. And pwede nyo siyang mabili sa Lazada or Shopee. I really love this one kasi it functions like how it's supposed to be. But anyway, this is my bag. And I've already mentioned this on my previous vlog that I bought this sa Anelo. Okay, so ito lang talaga yung dinadala ko everyday. Like, very konti lang siya. So the first thing you'll see is my notebook. Actually, itong notebook na to, hindi siya organized. Like, dito ko sinusulat lahat. Like, halo-halo ng mga subjects yung nakalagay dito. I bought this one on Shopee. Like, na-mention ko na rin ito dun sa previous kong vlog. And the size is B5. And then, I bring my wallet every day. And this wallet is from Charles & Keith. So, yan. Wala naman siyang laman. This pouch from Guess. Actually, ito talaga yung lifesaver ko. Like, sa lahat ng gamit ko, ito yung pinaka-importante aside from my wallet. And sa loob niya, I have this loose powder. Since high school, lagi akong dadalan nito just in case sa pagpawisan ako. And then, I have this lippy from Maybelline. And then, I have two wipes. The first wipes, wet wipes from Sanicare, and I have this feminine wipes kasi, you know. And then, I have this oil control film. Actually, dalawa yung oil control film ko. Yung isa, this one is from Fenty Beauty. Like, I've been hearing this brand sa TikTok, and I think it's Rihanna's brand, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I received this from my best friend. So, thank you for giving me this one because I love it so much. And then, I bring a sanitary napkin. Of course, I need this one, you know, for emergency purposes. And then, I have this toilet seat cover just in case na madumi yung toilet. At least, ready ako. And then, I've been bringing this vitamins. Pero hindi ko siya iniinom. Nakalagay lang talaga siya sa pouch ko. The reason why I'm not drinking this one, kasi hindi ako marunong uminom ng tablet or capsule. Pinapadala lang ng nanay ko, pero hindi ko talaga siya iniinom. Like, ilang buwan na talaga to. And then, I also bring a small comb. And then, a pressed powder from Maybelline. And the shade is beige. And then, I also bring a small tissue. And then, I have this Joseph. Hindi ko rin to iniinom kasi nga tablet siya. But, you know, just in case I need this, meron akong maiinom. And then, I have 2 Band-Aids. And then, this one, I also bring panty liner every day. Because just in case I need to change. And then, it is a roll-on. Pero para siyang katingko or white flower. But I bought this one in Jakarta. And the brand is Fresh Care because I really love the scent. It's green tea. And then, the last one that you will see in here is this blush that I bought from Happy Skin. And I really love this one because I'm morena. So, this really matches my skin tone because it's kind of brownish to a bit of reddish. That's why I really love this. Kasi pag nag-sweat na ako, you know, very natural na lang siya on my cheeks. And then, that's it. Ay, meron pa pala. I have elastic bands and bobby pins kasi, you know, nursing student. Kapag kailangan ko na mag-ayos for RLE, I have those. And then, college na ako, but I'm still bringing pencil case. Ewan ko, for organization lang. I don't know why, kasi college na ako, pero may pencil case pa rin talaga ako, which is awkward. But, you know, I need to be organized. So, I have 3 pens. One is a red pen. Kasi kailangan namin to. Nire-require kami ng ibang teacher for checking, and I have G-Tech. Like, ever since high school, I've been using G-Tech C4, and then this one, I got this pen from Muji. And this highlighter from Faber-Castell. I really love this one because it has glitters, which I really love. And then, oh, I have a correction tape. And then, I bring a power bank. And then, eyeglasses that I bought from Sunny's, but I don't really use this at school. Minsan lang, kapag trip ko, or kapag malayo ako sa board. And then, I also bring an umbrella. Kasi, you know, just in case na umulan. And then, this small pouch. I've been bringing this, like, everywhere I go. Kasi dito nakalagay yung earphones ko. And then, a spare battery for my camera and a connector. And then, I also bring my AirPods. Pero hindi siya nakalagay ngayon sa bag ko. Like, I cannot live without my AirPods. And then, this perfume that I bought from Miniso. Like, ang bango niya. Yung nagulat ako kasi from Miniso siya, pero hindi ko na-expect na ang bango niya talaga. So, yan. And then, I also have a small brush. And dito sa pocket, dalawa lang nakalagay. First, this mini fan. Like, I cannot live without this mini fan kasi sobrang init talaga sa school. And I have this hair tie. So, that's it. Wala na rin laman yung mga side pockets. Oh, meron pa pala, a trash. I mean, a scratch paper. But that's it. Wala na lang nilalagay. But, on the back, this is where I put my phone. Kasi, for safety purposes. I don't put it sa harapan. Kasi, delikado na nowadays. So, yan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you again on my next one.